Roger Nelson's Concept of Field Consciousness by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The concept of consciousness has long been a subject of intrigue and investigation in various academic disciplines. In the realm of psychology, consciousness refers to our subjective awareness of the external world and our internal mental processes. While consciousness has traditionally been seen as an individual and isolated phenomenon, Roger Nelson, born 1940, a renowned psychologist at Princeton University, New Jersey, has put forth a revolutionary concept known as field consciousness. Field consciousness, as conceptualized by Nelson, challenges the conventional understanding of consciousness as an individualistic experience. Nelson proposes that consciousness can extend beyond the individual level and exist within a collective domain termed the global field of consciousness. Within this field, individuals are interconnected, leading to collective consciousness that transcends the boundaries of time and space. Nelson's concept is not based merely on theoretical speculation. It is also grounded in empirical evidence. The Global Consciousness Project, GCP, created by Nelson in 1998, is an extensive research endeavour focused on investigating the existence of field consciousness. The GCP uses a network of random number generators distributed worldwide to measure the effects of major global events on a collective human consciousness. The project has reported statistically significant deviations from expected random behaviour during events that evoke strong emotional responses or a shared global focus, suggesting the presence of field consciousness. Nelson proposes that field consciousness can be measured through the analysis of global consciousness events, as in the Global Consciousness Project, which monitors fluctuations in a network of random number generators around the world. These fluctuations are believed to reflect the influence of collective human consciousness on the global field. By examining the statistical deviations from randomness in these generators during significant events, researchers can gain insights into the presence and impact of field consciousness. However, it is important to note that this measurement approach is still evolving and subject to ongoing research and refinement. One significant implication of field consciousness is the potential for interconnectedness on a global scale. Nelson's concept suggests that our thoughts, emotions and intentions can influence and be influenced by the collective consciousness, emphasizing the interconnected nature of human experiences. This notion holds immense potential for fostering cooperation, empathy and understanding among individuals and societies. In exploring the concept of Roger Nelson's field consciousness and its potential similarities to Rupert Sheldrake's morphogenetic field, it is essential to acknowledge that both theories revolve around the idea of interconnectedness and non-locality. However, while there are some overlapping elements, they differ in their fundamental principles and focus. Roger Nelson's field consciousness proposes that individuals are connected through a collective consciousness that influences and is influenced by human thoughts and emotions. This interconnectedness extends beyond spatial limitations and suggests a shared field of consciousness that transcends individual boundaries. On the other hand, Rupert Sheldrake's morphogenetic field theory suggests that there are collective fields of information shaping the development and behaviour of organisms. These fields contain inherent patterns or morphic resonance that influence the form and behaviour of individuals within a species. While both theories acknowledge a form of collective influence, they differ in their emphasis on consciousness versus information fields. Therefore, although there may be some similarities between Roger Nelson's field consciousness and Rupert Sheldrake's morphogenetic field, they ultimately represent distinct concepts within the realm of consciousness studies. As with any groundbreaking concept, field consciousness has also faced its share of criticisms and controversies. Critics argue that the GCP's reliance on random number generators may introduce biases or overlook alternative explanations for the observed deviations. Additionally, skeptics question the existence of a global field of consciousness, citing the need for further empirical research and methodological advancements to validate Nelson's claims. In conclusion, Roger Nelson's concept of field consciousness offers a novel perspective on the nature of consciousness. The idea that consciousness can transcend individual boundaries and operate within a collective global field challenges the traditional understanding of human cognition and its underlying mechanisms. While further research and empirical validation are required to solidify Nelson's concept, the potential implications of field consciousness on fostering connectivity and empathy warrant continued investigation. Field consciousness promises to reshape our understanding of the ways in which individuals and societies interact, urging us to explore the uncharted territories of collective human consciousness.